Let's take a look at the entire component. First, let's examine the Ortho kit. This kit is supplied in a box like this that you can sterilize with an autoclave before use. When you open the box by sliding the cover, you'll find the following contents. The kit includes one large screw handle, two long shafts that can be used like this, and a very small screw handle that will be used for inserting screws on the palatal side of the maxilla. For palatal side use, I strongly recommend using a motor-driven handpiece or an e-driver. I will explain this in more detail later. There are also two drills included, which will be used for pilot drilling. When using small diameter mini screws less than 1.2 mm, it is recommended that the pilot drill diameter be about 70% of the diameter of the mini screws being used. For example, a 1.0 mm drill for 1.2 mm screws. Now, I will show you how to attach the long shaft to the manual driver handle. First, insert the shaft into the handle while pulling back to release the chuck. Then, allow the ring to move forward to fasten the shaft securely. Once done, the shaft is securely tightened and ready for use. Next, let's take a look at the screws. This is Ostom's Orthanker. It is pre-packed like this and pre-sterilized, so further sterilization is not necessary. It is very convenient and easy to use. After tearing off the outer packaging, take out the plastic wrap screw inside. Remove the cap on top, and you will see the head of the screw. Using the driver shaft, simply apply general force to connect them until the head of the screw is securely attached to the shaft. It is now ready for use.